sumbong at mayroon pong ginaganap ditong benefits of the barangay. So, ayan, tara, panorin nyo. Maraming tao dito mga kababayan sa labas. So, hindi pa lumalabas. Ay pumapasok. Gawa ng mayroon kung tinatawag na entrance sila rito. Ay entrance ang benefits nila rito. Medyo may kadiliman ng konti rito sa sa street of the barangay.
Dancing enables you to find yourself and lose yourself at the same time.
When you dance, your purpose is not to get a certain place on a dance floor. It's to enjoy each step along the way.
To our very own barangay captain, Honorable Joseph S. Ronquillo,
To our Sangguniang
Hanggang dito na
Kabataan
lang.
Chairperson, Honorable Elaine
At
Therese and
subaybayan
Cohort,
nyo hanggang matapos.
ladies and gentlemen,
Magbablog po.
guests,
Welcome to my
friends,
YouTube
and
channel.
other
Hi,
visitors
Mr.
around.
Thank you.
a
A
pleasant
pleasant
evening
evening
to each and every one of you.